In primeval days, all of humanity was one. No borders, no nations, one language, one people. Then we built a tower to reach the heavens. But God came down and shattered everything. Why? Was he afraid of what we would become? And why didn't he just reveal himself? Let's dive into one of my favorite stories in the Bible, the Tower of Babel. Genesis 11. The whole earth had one language. The people built a city and a tower. The tower was so tall, it reached the heavens. But God saw the unity and said, nothing they plan to do will be impossible. He came down, confused their language, and scattered them across the world. The place became known as Babel, confusion. This isn't just a Bible story. The Maya, Greeks, Sumerians all told of a time when we spoke the same language until the gods shattered it. In forbidden text, the tower isn't arrogance, it's enlightenment. Humanity reaching for the divine spark. But a jealous God couldn't allow it. Legends say Babel was a portal, that it held secrets from the world before the flood. Astronomy, magic, ancient tech, buried when the tower fell. If God's an all-loving God, why not reveal himself when we're all together? Why confuse us? Why fear unity? What was he afraid of? Was this divine protection or divine insecurity? If unity made us strong, why was it broken? And if he truly loved us, wouldn't he want us together? Maybe the Tower of Babel wasn't a warning against arrogance. Maybe it was a warning against knowledge. And maybe, just maybe, we were never meant to be divided. The Tower of Babel wasn't the end. It was the beginning of humanity's questioning. The next time someone tells you this story, ask, why would a perfect God fear our ascent? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Someone's got to do it.